How to make only followings can mention you on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only followings can mention you on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile and click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one privacy, and then scroll down until you find mentions and tags, and now just scroll down. Here you will find the followers that you follow back, click on it, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.